And 14 runners, including course specialist Champion Bubbler, will go postward in Saturday's feature event at Caymanas Park. Here's Spencer Darlington with our racing preview.
The Spencer Chung-trained course specialist Champion Bubbler, to be partnered by informed jockey Tevin Foster, is the 2-to-1 anti-post favourite for the George Hosang Trophy, an overnight allowance contest for 3-year-old and up, going 5 furlongs straight. Bulletproof Coffee, the mount of champion apprentice Demar Williams at 5-2, Commander Z with apprentice Richie Shakes at 7-2, and another one to be ridden by champion jockey Radish Roman at 9-2 are the other fancied runners in the lineup. The 7-year-old American-bred bay mare Champion Bubbler gets her favourite trip and a perfect outside draw at gate 11. She runs her best races over the straight, and having finished runner-up to Nautical Star by 9 lengths going 6 furlongs on January 17, and also having competed in Grade 1 company before, she's expected to record her first victory of the year. Another course specialist, Bulletproof Coffee, is well rested, coming off a break of just over 2 months, and could be a very dangerous contender. Commander Z has failed to get among the principals in recent races, but given the fact that he reserves his best efforts for the straight course, a capital effort should be expected. Another one who has campaigned well in the overnight allowance category since coming to the level on September 7 should complete the frame. The feature event is listed as the 10th and final at 5:30 p.m, while first post is 11:35 a.m. Spencer Darlington, TVJ.